And so I got a Rockville 8-inch sub loaded, so it comes with a subwoofer installed in it. I have the same subwoofer in the Galant, but the Prelude, the 4th gen, my amp went, so instead of buying another amp, I decided to just buy a sub and an amp kit. It'll help the compactness and cut down on less things moving around in the trunk. So let's go ahead and open the box and see what's in it. Alright, yeah, it looks exactly the same as the one in the Galant. It's 300 watt, so 150 watt RMS it should be. You got the high level input, which I don't use. You got the remote, which I do use. RCA, you know, the gain, low pass filter, and the bass. I do like the fact that the ground and the 12 volt, you know, the speaker or the signal wire from the stereo. I like the fact that it's terminal base with the set screws in there. So I'm happy about that. But yeah, I mean, this will help like the compactness, and I hope to have, or I hope to make a tie down so I can tie it down for spirited driving. When I go to the track, I'll take it out. I usually take the sub out, I'll take the spare tire out. And let me open this thing. Alright, it comes with a bass controller. It comes with a fuse, an extra fuse, and some screws in there to mount the bass speaker and controller. It comes with the high pass filter wires there. And it comes with the cable there that plugs into the back of the controller. But that's basically it that comes in the kit. I'm gonna go ahead and do a sound review, and in the future I'll compare all 4 of my cars and see how they all sound, because I have 2 of these Rockvilles. One is in the Galant, one's in the 4th gen Prelude. Then the 5th gen Prelude, I also have an 8-inch sub in that one, but that's custom. I can't remember the brand of speaker, but I know the box is from eBay. A really nice box, has a really nice sound. And I'm going to also compare the factory sound system, the Rockford Fosgate that's in the Outlander. I think it will make a good comparison video of the, you know, the acoustics, you know, the bass, everything, you know. Alright. Also forgot to say that it does come with this little sheet of paper here, and it shows you all the functions. So yeah, that's pretty much self-explanatory there. And also it comes with a product warranty card, which I have never really filled out on the last one, but I mean, for the price of this sub, this one I believe costs about $90, maybe $100. Then the one for the Galant was slightly different. That had the whole installation kit for the ground cables and battery cables, and that came up to about $110, I want to say. I'll put the link in the video so you can see which ones that I bought. Alright, so I got the Rockville installed. I have the gain and the bass all the way up. So I'm gonna go ahead and play it, and just to give you guys an idea how it sounds. Yeah, I know I got the old school Vision neck right next to it. That's nostalgic right there. But the reason I bought this Rockville is because let's see if we can get it. My Boss amp right there, it just died a couple days ago. I think the wires touched and it shorted out. So yeah, let's give this Rockville a listen. So the controller, this was a 92 Honda Prelude, for those who aren't on my channel. But I have the controller in the cigarette and ashtray. The old Boss one I had, it fit really snug in there, so I didn't have to tape it, or I didn't have to bolt it down or anything. So yeah, let's give this song a listen, and the box is ported, and just to let you know, let's find a different song and try to find a different bass range. Alright, this is a different day. I couldn't get my video to save, so let's try it out again. Good listen, you can hear for yourself, the quality of the sub. Put on some headphones, it'll give you a good idea of how that sub sounds. All in all, I think it's a really good sub for what you pay. I did try to build a budget one with a standalone sub and an amp that's separate, and I believe it comes out to a lot more to do it that way. This is probably the cheapest solution, is to buy everything in one: the speaker, the box, the sub, all that together. You'll definitely get a better discount, you know, from building it yourself from scratch. So I think the subwoofer that's in the Black Prelude now, the box I bought from eBay a long time ago, and I can't remember what sub it's in or what brand the sub is, but that combo in the Black Prelude is really good. That's probably the best sounding 8-inch sub that I've heard. So for this review, I will give this subwoofer a 9 out of 10. We'll say an 8.9 out of 10. It pretty much checks all the boxes. It sounds really good. But I will say the sub in the Black Prelude definitely has a bit lower bass in it. I would have to give you a comparison so you can hear for yourself. It's definitely a little bit more richer down low, and yeah, so I give this one an 8.9. Hopefully you guys liked the review. Hopefully you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next vid. Peace out.